Fortunately, Power BI Desktop is the free tool for visualizing your reports. Let's first download and then install in our machines. Download Power BI. First, go to powerbi.microsoft.com and Products. Then, Power BI Desktop. Click on See Download or Language options. In below are some options of the products, details, and its system requirements. For example, if I open it, we can see the requirement windows and the Windows platforms. Even it is possible to install and work on with 32 Windows platforms. If you wonder which platform is your system, just search for System Information from Start menu. And here is your system type. Let's back to download page. Here you can select a language. I mostly recommend you to download the English language. Press on Download button. This is 64-bit. I check its check mark because this is my platform. The second option is for 32 bits. I don't need it, so I'm not gonna check its mark. Press on Next. And start download. We wait until the download finishes and install it. Install Power BI. It is downloaded, and now I'm gonna open the downloaded Power BI file. I double-click on it. Language is English or any other language, but I prefer English. Next, Next, and accept the license. Next, I don't change the location, so I press on Next and Install. It is now installing in your system. When the installation is finished, the completion setup window pops up. Press on Finish. We are prepared the basics of Power BI and ready to get acquainted with Power BI in the next lesson.